What is the purpose of Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform just like Bitcoin, and it serves as a medium of exchange. However, its functionality is better suited to execute smart contracts. Smart contracts have the ability to execute instructions whenever needed. For example, paying a monthly mobile bill without intermediaries. The Ethereum blockchain is more of a platform for smart contracts to be performed, unlike Bitcoin, which focuses more on storage and transactions between two parties. The Ethereum network opened up a lot of other uses, such as decentralized finance, which has services similar to that of a bank. Non-fungible token, also known NFTs, maintain authenticity of items like artwork and other exchanges. However, the Ethereum network, just like any other cryptocurrency, has its drawbacks such as security and malware issues. This network is also very resource-intensive, and most of all, as new technology arises, new coins with increased safety and efficiency could prove to be a better alternative to Ethereum. Thanks for watching.